Introducing the One-Shot Model OS7, the Swiss Army knife of ice cream, frozen yogurt, gelato and sorbet pod dispensers. It is a remarkable marketing merchandiser surrounded with high-impact graphics. Then it can be mounted on a counter, the side of a cabinet or even the side of a wall. High-speed operation of up to 240 portions an hour and of course no sanitizing required. The machine is powered by a standard domestic electric plug and it consumes no more than a 100-watt electric light bulb. The One-Shot Model OS7 pod dispenser is truly the Swiss Army knife of ice cream, frozen yogurt, gelato and sorbet pod dispensers.